Hi everyone, I am Dr. Ruchika and welcome to Creating Balance. Seeds are little bundles of nutrition. They are maybe the tiniest superfoods available. Seeds contain fiber, protein, antioxidants, polyphenols, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. They are also a good source of plant based protein. They also contain healthy fats like monounsaturated fat and polyunsaturated fat, so they are heart healthy too. Seeds, when consumed as a part of healthy, balanced diet, provide us a variety of health benefits. They are extremely versatile and can be included into a diet in a variety of ways. So in this video, I will talk about 5 such seeds that you should consider adding into your daily diet. So let's begin the video. First is flax seeds. Flax seeds are known for their health protective properties from centuries. These days also more and more scientific research is pointing towards the health benefits of flax seeds. That is why nowadays they are emerging as superfood. Flax seeds are loaded with nutrients. So just 1 tablespoon of flax seeds each day will provide us good amount of protein and fiber. For vegetarians, flax seeds are also a good source of omega-3 fats. Now, flax seeds also contain different polyphenols, especially lignans, which act as antioxidants. So they prevent cellular injury due to free radicals. The fiber in the flax seeds get fermented by the bacteria in the colon of our large intestine. So flax seeds help to regulate the bowel movement. Flax seeds are also known to reduce the blood pressure and blood cholesterol levels. Some studies have also shown that consuming flax seeds reduced the risk of breast cancer in females and prostate cancer in males. Now, how to consume flax seeds? Flax seeds should ideally be consumed after grinding because the omega-3 fats in the flax seeds is contained in the outer fibrous shell of the flax seed. This outer shell cannot be easily digested by humans. So it is better to grind the flax seeds before consuming. Now flax seeds can be consumed just by mixing them in water and drinking that water. They can also be added to various foods like oatmeal, smoothies, yogurt or juices. Next is chia seeds. Chia seeds are also a good source of fiber, protein, omega-3 fat and a variety of nutrients like iron, calcium, magnesium and zinc. They are also rich in antioxidants. Half of the chia seed fat is omega-3 fat, and there are not much vegetarian sources of omega-3 fats. Just walnuts, flax seeds and chia seeds contain omega-3 fats. Chia seeds are also a good source of plant-based protein. Chia seeds contain more calcium per ounce as compared to many dairy products. Some studies have revealed that consuming chia seeds increases the level of alpha-linolenic acid in the blood. Alpha-linolenic acid is basically a omega-3 fatty acid which helps to reduce the inflammation in the body. Chia seeds also regulates the blood sugar levels, especially immediately after the meals. Now, chia seeds also reduces the risk of heart disease. Unlike flax seeds, chia seeds can be consumed in their whole form because the outer shell of chia seeds is very delicate and easily breaks down with moisture. So chia seeds should be consumed mixing with some liquid like water or juice, or you can add them to the foods that are moist in nature like yogurt or smoothies. Now the best way to consume chia seeds is to just add them to water and mix it up, then keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Then consume that water. Next is sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a very good source of lignans, especially sesame. Sesame seeds are considered as the best dietary source of lignans. This sesame gets converted into another lignan known as enterolactone by the gut bacteria. Enterolactone is very important because lower than normal levels of enterolactone is found associated with the increased risk of heart disease and breast cancer. Now, sesame seeds are also helpful in controlling the blood cholesterol levels. They also help to reduce the symptoms of arthritis. There are two varieties of sesame seeds, black ones and white ones. Both black and white sesame seeds have also similar nutritional value because both of them are good sources of zinc, riboflavin, niacin, thiamine and iron. But black sesame seeds have a little more amount of calcium as compared to white ones. These sesame seeds also help to fight against anemia because they are a good source of iron. You can consume sesame seeds by adding them to various curries while serving. They can also be added to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, shakes, etc. You can also chew them as such and then swallow with water. Now in India, laddus made from til are also a very common recipe. Next is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are the powerhouse of nutrition. Pumpkin seeds are a very good source of B vitamins, magnesium, phosphorus, iron, protein, monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. The magnesium in the pumpkin seeds help to regulate the blood pressure. Then the monounsaturated fatty acids in the pumpkin seeds help to lower the level of bad cholesterol and increase the level of good cholesterol in the blood. Pumpkin seeds also contain serotonin. This serotonin is a neurochemical which is commonly known as nature's sleeping pill. So pumpkin seeds also help to get good night's sleep. Now, pumpkin seeds also contain a unique amino acid in them which may promote hair growth. The antioxidants in the pumpkin seeds help to build strong immunity. Pumpkin seeds are also known to reduce the risk of bladder stones. Pumpkin seeds can be consumed as such as a snack. You can eat them either in the raw form or in the slightly roasted form. Fifth is sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are found inside the center of the sunflower and are very high in nutritive value. Sunflower seeds are especially rich in vitamin E and selenium, which function as antioxidants and they prevent the cells of our body from free radicals. Selenium is basically a trace element which is a very essential component of at least 25 types of proteins in human body. Sunflower seeds also contain phytosterols which are associated with lower blood cholesterol levels, higher immunity function, and they may also give us protection against cancer. Then sunflower seeds can be consumed as such as a snack or they can be added to various dishes. All these 5 types of seeds can be very easily included into your daily diet. But still, you don't need to get overwhelmed to start with all these 5 types of seeds at once. You just choose a set of 2 or 3 seeds which are easily available to you. And after you have finished them, just switch to the another set. In this way, you can consume the seeds alternatively. That's it for today. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you very much for watching the video.